I am greeting you from Xposed. As we have the tongue rolling in our mouth and we are alive, we will say thanks be to God. Asida enke trade ampo nyankopon techamada bodwem na moja widi efusane de ade achi say ya na ye de asida ene ayeye ene ma trade ampo nyankopon ende asem bia abeto dwane say Frimprince music production aye maame evangelist Dina Asamoah ene omo contract but I said Frimprince music production Dina Asamoah one of their signees oni omo contract omo ye ejuma for 22 years last month August 4th and now to say accounted 22 years omo ni na yeden aye ejuma but enkra abeto dwane say ye maame the contract now on the Frimprince one Frimprince production aba be say they have were breaching contract into almost terminated the contract and no one some kakra me person me reading na also here then otiase or say Frimprince music production the management of evangelist Dina Asamoah has terminated their contract with Dina Asamoah after 22 years of working experience. An official letter that was dated on the 4th of August 2022 now Mr. Etwaso or say in a communication released by Frimprince music production, which is headed by Emmanuel Anane Frimpong, evangelist Dina Asamoah keeps breaching their contract. Therefore, they can't have a smooth working relationship any longer. Now, the Papa Frimprince actually now say, "My many keep breaching omo contract omo having ina." Utumu say, "Ye die, ye wahano, ye nchile adie particularly anaye mami Dina Asamoah ye dey breaching the contract." But this is the news about HSA. Ye mami no o keep breaching contract no. We don't know. Na nsem wa nim say ye mami Dina Asamoah with a kind of style and or ye makeup and was started to say nyamesum kra wa kumem or dress it fine. And we don't think say or start yes and management name pa and she will go against that. Inti ehwe mu no na enu nye the particular reason intia ye share that they but we don't know what being the problem because what they have stated here HSA we breaching contract and untina I almost say omuntu mini nye juma ebium. Now the HSA the letter listed in the contract HSA it will include the takeover of some of the social media accounts. All the digital platforms of Dina Asamoah have been seized, including her Facebook page. It is not a letter ne yede ba out Frimprince production edit almost terminated yemame Dina Asamoah contract the social media handles so it will be seized and including her Facebook page on to me and you it's a contract season yemame Dina Asamoah on to me you the Facebook account in the management are going to take over that social media account. Now esa akoso HSA also, she will no longer have the right to own 9 of the popular songs produced by a former music executive, Anane Frimpong. Now, she said, "Enyuma yen mame ato bebrebe ni na se wato nyumba ya 100 9 of the songs no only right to those songs. And only right so obeko jina stage bi ato sa nyum no. So wotumi to sa nyum na obi be se copyright, ye betimi di na ko jina ko. Since some terminated contract no you bet me dina ko dina court na aka say maame the catch all say me ni we production enum we ujai to a enye wo die biom even though if you ano if you yem wo de wadwen e na troye enye wo de abiom eye me Anane Frimpong me da Frimprince music production no utumi nto sa anum ni biom ana enum ni nie o say these songs are wona meni ejina wo mabodin akụkọ abonkokroko madansi die nie Pentecost ja momome wombom udemufua tetelesta any Pentecost sorry utumi hu say enwuma mami so watu ama na ye popular because ye ni na ye nim enwum nice songs ye mami enwuma watu ama na ye popular ama Ghana fo ni akono no me nim say ne production etumi aye smart etumi aka say enwum we die iti utumu se ebiti se osi akoko bonkokroko enipeni na sorry if you want na so na dodo no na rifko enuma paso enumwe utumu se anka wo soli ya abofra wo soli anopa na wotisa enumwe 1 2 radio so a na DJ anani show host na ote sa show no so no na onim de ekoso anwumwe akụkọ abongo kroko anopo tutu kwame sefa kan bo wa bo ni radio shows no so happy fm any fan of radio stations be buy ni na amboss anwumwe anu de be sore na sore wo ko adwuma de you will be in the spirit or say anwum bi ti say ma bo odin na ma fra intimi be nya kukudro enhwe benkum ana nifa odi akụkọ wani ma sanwum wani na ye mama ye kire se ontumi ngina beebi ento sa nwum ibio se for commercial purpose there be ontumi ento ene bia ni dem ene obebo sa nwum na wotie kakra ana wakọ asọre na obi egina na obo onu ane nwum na onu de ontumi ngina beebi mbo sa nwum no for a commercial purpose. And also Frimprince music will no longer take part in the organization of Asamoah's annual concert, Dead Abba Father. Yeah, mami uni muse enutufo de omo baji din sana. Omo wo yearly occasional show omo bo obi ane ne de oye every year. Na ne nyuma ni show ya opese obo on during the friend Abba Father no. During this time around here. From now onwards, organization no Terminated Sαcked and almost say Terminated here, but she will no longer count biom so be organize that show now Frimprince in there and no number one man organize show no and ya JB another production sign in there no my then to us and at the say Evangelist Asamoah began her musical career in the midst of 90s when she met Reverend Simoya Abuama in Kumasi. They came out with the first album, Una Meni Jinawo. That was when they were introduced to Mr. Anane Frimprince of Frimprince Music Production, who decided to take her on board. The two have for the past decade dominated the local music industry with a scintillating and soothing music. Evangelist Asamoah has so far released 6 albums, including Mabodin, a song dedicated to Mr. John Ajekum Kufuor, President of Ghana in 2002. Pentecost Jah, which topped the music chart for months. Gospel Old Tunes to Madan Sidieni, and the latest one, Pentecost Sorianyo, which is leading music charts now in Ghana. It would me say in the 90s. And I will share software be our Kumase, and our software so introduce him Frimprince and not any bound boss. So, mammy, your talent into Obebuano. Now, my man in you so aquature and no creso Frimprince have one mammy so manako sopa. And then 2000 more now, Yebeto Abama, J. Kufuaba Abasono, which was 2002 or Yumi by Osama Bodina Wafrel to Muso Chile. Jonah de Kunku for the abanim amamona oba bedini de onyankopon na aboni din na wa friend so obedi Ghana for nim and also kan ma nwum no o dedicate ma ye papa Jonah de Kunku for ama nwum no so call chire e kosoro pa na say kura wa yi album bi ye friend Pentecost sorry nwum the leading music chart now e Ghana Termination in I dem etwem and I say, she won awards in both Italy and Belgium for being the best gospel artist in Ghana in 2006 and 2008. She was the first artist to launch her album and have high commissioners and parliamentarians grace the occasion. She also noted for the yearly concert she hosts each year that our father, which I have said, the concert has been staged successfully in 2017 and 2018. The show has been lives of Sisi Chum, Reverend Obapa Christie, Ohima Mercy, Yausapon, Winneba Youth Choir Evangelist, IK Anem, and host of upcoming artists. It is a yearly program that is hosted at the Accra International Conference Center. The 2018 edition saw a mammoth crowd of gospel lovers patronizing it. The concert also has a Kumasi version on evangelism. She was the gospel artist to start her own morning devotion on the radio station and now Rainbow FM. She also organizes her own prayer conferences where Christians gather to pray. It would more said, mame waba abetre said during 2008, 2009, she won couple of awards. And send na wotumi to new politicians to me too Numa Joe Kufoma Numba Sokoso on one of the gospel artists to me host the show. Now a cuckoo down parliamentarians, politicians, any high commissioner from places, and to me be gracie occasion to say, my many anointing it na a sombo partner or ye Abba Father no so ye mami in the lives of Sisishum, Obapa Christie, Kofi Sapon, ye papa Sapon, omuni na grace that show, na omuni na buana nyoma na oye no aye den akosoro na echirepo say ye mami 2018 edition of Abba Father no to so o show na oyo International Conference Center enkofo pankasa because there is spirit in the music. Mami your born nyuma no krenie I say nyuma obokra ya me krabo menitumeji eye say nyuma e fe no nyame shira Abraham woboni dindi say obema na so adore wakana bemo senia na semtie utumu say nyuma mi obon nyuma. There is much spirit in the song and then ya meti asem there even though we don't know what caused say ye but the actually say she has breached some of the contract. It's here mama than Asamoah and the so now the Facebook page in ebia say utimi tro na na utimi hwe na etumi emba so bio and on the likes utimi say onu so no ye oba o hosti oye the first gospel artist that utimi hosti morning show for prayers on a morning show utimi say na say kra or Rainbow FM na o hosti show na nkofo ebetie anopa bia etie nyankopon asem asana wako wonuma so enuma mene de she has graced a lot now so and production oni omu ye adwuma ni na de cheba ni na so oni omu ni contract biom na they have terminated her contract asama woni na munu abema limo elekem kwame me de abramu nsem we echi say Frimprince and Kasaba out ebe kire the reason breach normal oye ya kire say we breach contract yedini na be den ebebro na me chose dwumekura so ya say enyi obi a say need roofing say enfro bia ma ne bebo ko chense so ye den e ma from no mu ni ubedi kasebom tasende ye besehia
Onyadofo de ne wo haw de ne wo adwendwen de ne wo kodan na edan na wasiewie na wo penchensen papa de aboso anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwunu enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam natural things ebie wo mo ensem de amasan krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo ememe so wo haw no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na ene wo mo endi eye kasubo sase wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo age wo mo atum natural things ana wo mo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda